Mrs. Sintapati?
Chintalapati, Nirmala.
Your Madrasi titles are so long, never ending like Chinese noodles.
Telugu. I am Telugu.
For us, it is all the same.
Why all same? You in Northeast all same, huh? You, Mrs. Patangia, and that upstairs income tax lady, Lalrimpui from Mizoram, all same.
No, in Northeast, we are one big family. Like that in South India, you are one big family. No, like that.
Big family, but all different people, no? Like in your family, Mr. Patangia bald and short, you tall like coconut tree, and your daughter so skinny. That is also okay. But your son, so fat. Why?
You're talking of Baba, but Baba is still a baby, no? It is all baby fat.
Baby? Class 9, not baby. Why are you feeding him so much, huh? I see him ordering food all the time. That food delivery boy always in the lift, spreading the virus.
Where? At home, he never eat butter except with bread. And when he's moody or angry, then he sometimes finishes 100 gram of butter packet at once. Just so naughty.
Naughty? Fatty. Fatty acids collecting here and here. My children eat homemade food only.
Why are you commenting on Baba? My daughter in America, she told me it is called body shaming. And he is otherwise so smart. He know the name of the latest car models. And he also told me about Elon Musk. Have you heard about him? Go and find out. And cinema, if there is a latest movie in America. Baba has already downloaded sitting here in Guwahati and watched it. Little bit of fat, no doubt, but very smart otherwise.
My children not allowed Hindi and rubbish Hollywood film. Only Telugu. On Saturdays only, after they finish their Fiji homework and after Mr. Chintalapati and I view it once. God knows what scenes might come up these days. See, your daughter...
Mommy, she's in America, going to marry a pure American.
Entire neighborhood knows that. That is not the point. The point is, your daughter, she is okay. But your son...
My son also topper material. He want to become computer engineer.
My son Vishu told me Bhargav got very bad marks in maths. How he will do engineering? How?
Last year, very bad luck. He was going to give his math exam and a second floor lady, she called from the back side. Oh Baba, what exam today? From the back. Finish. After that, he could not solve any problem in the exam. Over and above, it was a Saturday. He has Shani, Saturn influence from birth. So I tied a black thread around his waist and I warned him, if you throw that, I will tie that around my neck.
What violent thoughts.
That famous astrologer, Nepali Pandit, he told me when Baba was born that Shani, Saturn will bid farewell in October 2025. After that, there is no stopping Baba. It will be good and only good. And his school name, Bhargav, had one A. Now we have added another A. Bhargav. We can already see the positive influence.
Where?
Look, Einstein, Bill Gates, and many other people, they were dull while reading in school. But later they became great.
You mean to say Bhargav will become an Einstein? Good luck. Anyway, I called to say I like your Assamese dress, the mekhala. So can we go shopping for the mekhala?
See, what are you saying?
What I'm saying?
Again and again, that repetition of that word. Look, it is a very dirty word. After May, it is khela, mekhela sador. But the way you're saying the second part after May, that is dirty.
Dirty?
Dirty like sex organ. Baba used that word once and I slapped him.
Whatever. All I'm saying, I like it and I want it.
Okay, we will go shopping, but you will not ask in the shop, okay? I will talk to the shopkeeper. Yes, কি লাজ লগা কাণ্ড হ'ব নহ'লে